Here's a custom build, just in it unique, especially in classics. 1976 C-8000 tilt cab. Was actually a Coca-Cola semi to begin with before being built into this custom truck that you see now. 3208 turbo Caterpillar engine is what it's powered by, and then it's paired up with an Allison automatic transmission. Be able to check out still pictures of this on our website, so you'll be able to see it. Interior, check out the rear, the sleeper, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Quite the chrome and look to this in the Coca-Cola red. Slip down the passenger side here. It's a little tough to get far enough away from it to get the whole thing in the shot, but you can see it in the still pictures. And we're going to get around to the driver's side, check out the interior, let you see that. But that checkered flag and the Coca-Cola insignias on it. This truck was actually used quite often to regularly pull a family RV trailer when they were traveling. Obviously, they would have made it to some of the shows. I'm sure they displayed this at. Have a little fun with it. You can see the weights were added back here. That is going to change your ride, obviously, and the people who have driven this prior state that it dries out beautifully. There is an area to sleep in the rear where the sleeper's set on there. Storage compartment in the back here. Those dual chrome stacks. And I do have still pictures on our website, so you can see inside the sleeper there also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with that transportation, but why would you want to do that? Come get it and drive it home. It's going to be half the fun. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Man, look at the bright work and chrome. That red and black and white combination. What a look. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior. I'm not going to fire this up in here like I typically do in our videos, so I don't want to let it sit and run. It is a diesel, obviously, and I am indoors. So we will get a running video of this truck when we get it outside, and I'll just kind of tag that along onto this video that you're seeing now. So like we got 40, 20, 40 kind of split bench up there. You do have, I would call the captain's chairs for driving armrest in the center. There's an AC unit in the ceiling. And hey, it's a semi without the CB radio in there. Let me slip up in here and get a little bit of a look at the dash and interior here. An idea how this looks. So parking brake. This truck does have air brakes, so depending on license requirements, always check into those. Heater in the floor there, aftermarket Kenwood stereo added. Heating and defrosting control, I should say. Of course, there's a shifter where the 8 ball's at. That Allison automatic. Gives you an idea what it looks like in here. Comfy seats, nice and cushy. I can see where this thing would be comfortable going down the road, no doubt about that. High backrest with our rests on it. All right. '76 Ford C-8000 custom built Coca-Cola Cruiser. Check out the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description and take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, but like I said earlier, hey, why take all the fun out of it? Come get it and drive it home.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so here's our Ford. We're just out front of the building here. We didn't want to run it inside, so here it is running. It runs and drives great. I've driven it around here a few times. I'll just do a quick walk around here. This thing's really sweet. It's just a blast to drive.